Here's one option that you can apply when you have the word blank in your Excel pivot table. Now, please note that this will apply only to row titles and column titles, not to the individual data. So if you are looking for a way that will solve this blank issue from over here or from the column, then this is the video for you. So I have here a pivot table showing sales by area, and I have a few rows in my data where I don't know what the area is. So what I could do is to click on the cell where it says blank, go to the formula bar and delete it and just say uncategorized. I'm hitting enter, and just like that I have my new label over here. And when I go on and update one value and refresh the pivot table, notice how this stays consistent in my pivot table. Now let's say that I've had the same thing happening for a column. I'm going to simply delete the mouse value from over here and refresh my pivot table just so that I have a blank section over here. I can also do the same thing and just add unknown product, hit enter. And now when I go on and delete some more products and refresh the pivot table, you should see how my pivot table updates. And now I have something written here and here instead of blank. So this would be my tip for you. Let me know if you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.